In Step 2, we will show you how to print and save a particular deposit report. Adventist Giving produces a new deposit for your church twice each month, one on the 15th of each month and one on the last day of each month. New reports are typically ready to be printed and saved on the first business day after the deposit closes. Using October 2020 as an example, the deposit report for the 15th will most likely be ready to print and save on the 16th, which is a Friday. Once you have clicked on Generate Reports, it brings you to this Official Deposit Report screen, where you will always look in the Transfer Cutoff column for the deposit report you are ready to print and save. Find the deposit that you are ready to enter. Click on the PDF button in the Downloads column. This opens the deposit report for that particular date. Print this report for your records, staple the pages together in order, and file it in the appropriate Deposits folder of your file box for reference purposes. While the PDF is still on your computer screen, right-click anywhere on the report. Then find and select Save As or Save Page As. If you were not able to create an Adventist Giving folder on your desktop, ask for help the first time you do this. If at first you don't see Desktop, you may need to click on My Computer or This PC first. After the first import, Jewel will remember where this folder is and you should not have to go looking for it. Once you click on Desktop, look in the right side of that box and find and click on the Adventist Giving folder that you have created. You might need to double click on it to open it. If this is the first time you've used this method, you will see No items match your search or something like that to let you know that the folder is empty. But from then on, this folder will not be empty. You will see a list of previous deposit reports. Toward the bottom of that screen, the deposit report file name will have 6 capital letters, which is an entity ID. Yours will be different than this one. The words Transfer Report, and then 8 numbers. Edit that file name slightly, making it easier to identify as a date by putting hyphens in between the year, month, and day numbers at the very end of the name. This will make it easier to choose the correct transfer report when importing. The last thing you do on this screen is to click Save down in the bottom right of your screen. This will save a copy of this PDF in your Adventist Giving folder. Repeat these 5 steps if you wish to download additional deposit reports before you sign out. The steps are: 1. Click on the PDF button of the report you wish to save or import. 2. When the PDF report appears on your screen, right-click anywhere on the report. 3. Select Save As or Save Page As. The Adventist Giving folder will open automatically now. Note the first report that was saved shows up here. Number 4, locate the file name. Edit it by putting hyphens in between the year, month, and day numbers at the very end of the name. 5, click on Save. These 5 steps will only take a minute or so once it is set up. Don't forget, even though you've saved the report to a file, you still need to print and file each deposit report for reference purposes. Now we can close Adventist Giving and open Jewel, because we're ready to move to Step 3, begin the import process, in the next video.